Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Living Life for Today with Tommy Cunningham. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham, here to talk about his top 4 tips for using a radio scanner inside like a big business, like for instance at the Grand Ole Opry, at the Gaylord Opryland Hotel Convention Center, anywhere in those areas. That's where we're going to talk about today. So we're also going to talk a little bit about today in on a I want to thank you guys for all the good comments yesterday on yesterday's video. I was like shocked. Last night I got me like one of the bestest comment ever. He said, "Good job, Tommy. Keep on flying." And get this, you guys. I got one more subscriber. Oh my, oh my God. So also you guys, I just mean it. I feel like this YouTube has really gotten on a good start since I changed my name from The Life of Tommy C to Living Life for Today with Tommy Cunningham. And with Tommy C, I just cannot believe it that I'm at 68 subscribers. And holy cow. So last night, I watched 4 videos last night. One about the lifestyle there in China, one on the lifestyle there in Russia, and one on the lifestyle there in Japan, because yesterday I was watching life in Japan, and this is a big thing for me, okay? Plus, like the last 2 days, Sunday and Monday, I got me like so many like different YouTubers that's following my page, and you guys, I am like stoked, I am like excited. Plus, like also, I got 15 more days until I go to Laughlin. I am excited. Plus, I also got me a trip coming up to Horseshoe, Southern Indiana, and holy cow, this is exciting. I'm getting to stay at 2 Caesars Entertainment hotels. One is Horseshoe and the other one is Harris Laughlin. And I gotta tell you guys something. Holy cow, I'm like so like very excited. So like also, like one of my videos, which I'm like really excited about this, like one of my videos, the day today with Tommy Cunningham, the day today for the Excel Center, and one I'm excited for on my upcoming trip, which that one I feel really excited about. Plus like also my Universal Orlando video. Plus looking at this, this gives me some really good ideas for like some good YouTubes. So I already got the idea of like using my YouTube to look at 3 different obstacles. Number one is using it like at a radio scanner or radio scanner business. Like for instance, Walmart, Target, or any other places like those. Because that right there would help you in a heartbeat. So also like another tip that I have found out, which was a really kind of interesting that I watched yesterday, and I was like, holy cow, what in the world does people. So this blind person, just to give you guys a story, this blind person was getting on a cruise ship, and get this, he is blind, and he's trying to get on a Virgin Voyages cruise. So then after that, the Virgin Voyages staff told them, hey, we are not going to let this guy on board because we don't have any supports for helping him. So then after that, they sent a generalized email saying that we will pay for your flight, we will pay for everything, and also give you a free room upgrade, plus also a free upgrade on anything you like. Plus, like also yesterday, I was watching the Emanelli family, which honestly I think they do a good job. I was also watching the Tim Tracker and seeing how good he's doing on his cruise. He is loving, I am telling you, he is loving that cruise. And I feel so very excited. Plus, like yesterday, I was also tracking 4 ships, okay? The first ship I was tracking was the MSC Divina, because that one was the ship that my buddy Josh Hokum was on. So like for instance, I was looking at like radio frequencies on like doing that, but honestly when I was looking, I found this radio talker called the Seminole Tribal Community Development, which is the Seminole Tribe of Florida. So when you click on their website, it'll quickly bring up, which is currently getting on the Bing website right now. So if we click on Redirectly Automatic, so like also they are currently thinking, which honestly, so this is what their website looks like right here, okay? That right there is like what their website looks like. So they got your pretty much like your normal services for like, plus they also got, which is really nice, they got their own police department. They also got their own public works, which is really nice. So their public works is like roadway management, water treatment facilities, water dam maintenance and repairs, wastewater collection, maintenance and repairs, wastewater treatment plants. The mission provides coordination, support, and leadership to the department as a whole. Plus they also got, which is really nice, they also, I won't go into like enough of this, But please be advised that there might be another video on this. Because honestly, I am telling you that I am shocked that these people get this kind of website because of how much the people are treated down there. And I think they have to get some credit. Because these people work their stinking butts off just to give each other a good break. So like also you guys probably see in my apartment right now, I currently don't got my TV on. But after school today, after the Thanksgiving dinner, which I'm feeling really, really just excited about, I will be talking about that after school. And there is like 4 different radio frequencies that I'm probably going to be listening to. I'm going to try to listen to the Jasper. I'm going to try to listen to the different people. They also got the Operation Bureau, which they got a North and a South Command. They also got Youth Services, which I think that's nice. But they, the Youth Services, so like also they also got core videos, which I'll be talking some more about this website tomorrow. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any other video. So goodbye, have a great day, and if I don't see you later, be sure to be nice, be safe, and be conscious, and be friendly. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day, and goodbye.